Hello guys, welcome to CAD by Rahul. Today we will see how to create this model by using Creo software. So let's get started. First of all, we have to define the front view, right view and top view. Now we are opening the software, new part file, name it, locating dash finger, then click OK. Select MMNS part solid template. OK. Now we are creating the base having dimension 106 by 52. So we are selecting top plane. Then a center rectangle, dimension it 106 by 52. Now we are giving the height which is 14. Now we are trying to create feature above the base. For that we have to create a rectangle in center. Select extrude command and top surface. Here we are creating rectangle having dimension 54 mm. Then click OK. It has height 21 mm. Now we are trying to cut this profile which is highlighting in red color. For that we have to select extrude command and side surface. First of all, reference the edges. Create this line and this line. It has dimension of 5 mm. This is also 5 mm. This is 11 mm, but 11 minus 5 is 6. Now we are creating an arc having radius of 54 mm. Type dimension 54. For cutout, we have to close this sketch from outer side. Then click OK. Remove this material. For center cutout, we have to select back surface. For that, I am creating a reference circle which is given in diagram. It has a diameter of 32. Now we are creating horizontal line and two lines which is intersecting to above edge, circle and horizontal line. This line has an angle of 30 degree with a vertical axis. So we are giving this. And remove the unwanted sketches. And closing this sketch by using line, click OK. Remove this material. Now the model is almost done. Now we are creating 4 holes having diameter of 8 mm. Select circle command. Draw 4 circles. It has a diameter of 8 mm. And dimension from edge is 13, and dimension between two circles is 19. Dimension between this and this hole is 80. The dimension between this circle and center axis is 40 mm. Just remove the material. Now we are giving the chamfer of 13 mm to both edges. Now the model is ready. As you can see, model looks same as shown in a diagram. This is the front view. This is the right view, and this is the top view, and this is the isometric view. You can download this drawing file for your practice. Link is given in description box. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned with us for more 3D models. Thank you.